everyone and welcome back to the channel. If to in today's video I will walk you through a step-by-step process of building you or your own online store and turning it into a success for starters. Begin with a clear vision of your e-commerce business. Choice your niche, target audience, and a unique selling idea to establish a strong foundation. Then select the right platform OPT for a reliable and user-friendly solution like Shopify, which offers a seamless website building experiences. Next, choose appealing them appealing theme of customize your design of to reflect your brand's personality and attract your target audience. With the increase in mobile usage, ensure your website is responsive to provide customers with seamless experiences on mobile devices. Security is a critical aspect of e-commerce. Invest in SSL certificates and implement other security measures to safeguard customer data and build trust. Additionally, a slow loading website can deter potential customers, so optimize your site for speed to provide a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience. Analyze your website performance regular using analytics tools to gain insight into user behavior and maker data-driven improvements. Provide extension customer services by being responsive, attentive, and helpful to build strong relationship. Lastly, stay updated with industry trends and technological adva- um, advancements or to remain competitive. Now that you are ready to set up your online store customization, Shopify offers is a massive library for free and premium themes. To help your businesses stand out, you can browse the templates and pick the one that suits for brand best easy of use. Shopify caters to user of all skill levels, taking care of hosting, maintenance, and other technicalities. All you need to do is upload your products and customize your website. You can easily create collections and sub collections to display product on your front page. Payments, unlike other platforms, Shopify charges no transaction fees if you use Shopify payments. This covers orders proceed through Shopify payments, installments, and PayPal Express, as well as manual payment methods like cash on delivery. That's a wrap. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.